Nokia 2100 disassembly. You need a Torx 6 Plus driver to release screws, a straight-bladed screwdriver, SRT3, metal tweezers, and SRT6. Be sure to be connected to your ESD wristband. Protect window and picture window with a film. Remove B cover and A cover. Protect LCD with a film. Remove 6 screws in the order shown. Use tweezers to take away screws. Remove UI module and engine module. Pull out SIM connector by using tweezers first. Then removing system connector becomes easy. Lever up vibromotor and pull it out carefully. Remove microphone by using screwdriver. Moderate force is required. The SRT3 is necessary to remove battery connector without damage. Press down clamps of SIM stopper with tweezers on both sides. Remove SIM stopper. Lever antenna with SRT6 while unlocking with tweezers through leave-outs. Continue with next 2 clamps. Pull up antenna. If 1 or more clamps are broken, antenna must be replaced. Remove screws to disassemble UI module first. Do not forget to remove the protection film. Unlock LCD metal shield with SRT6 tool on both sides. Protect LCD with a film. The buzzer gasket can now be easily removed. Prevent damages on connectors while pressing the speaker down. Now, disassembly procedure is completed.